So let's just see if Python is compiled or interpreted language. So Python is often described as an interpreted language, but this is only partially true. So when a Python program runs, so suppose we have the source code. So first of all, the source code goes through the compiler. So the compiler will compile the code and create the bytecode. And then the bytecode can be executed by one virtual machine, and after that our code will be running. So first of all, the source code will be compiled, which will create this bytecode, and the bytecode can run on any machine with a Python virtual machine. So the bytecode will be interpreted line by line with the Python virtual machine. So here you can see we have both the compiler and also the interpreter. So we can say that Python is compiled and interpreted, so we can see Python is both. And here you can see we have the bytecode. So the bytecode allows Python to run on different CPU architectures, which ensures write once and run anywhere capability. So because the compilation stage is hidden from the programmer, which leads to the misconception that the Python is purely interpreted. So here the bytecode generated during the compilation is temporary and may be deleted after execution to simplify the process for the programmer. But we can get the compiled file with the extension .pyc, and we can prove that Python really compiled to the bytecode. So here we have one sample file test.py. So in the directory you can see we have only one file. In the current directory we have to run the command python-m py_compile, and after that the file name test.py, and execute this. Now after that you can see in the current directory we have this pycache created, and inside that we have this file with the extension .pyc. So that is our compiled file. Now if we execute that file, we should get this output. So here we're gonna go to the directory __pycache. Now inside the directory we're gonna execute the compiled file. So Python and then the name of the compiled file with the extension .pyc, and let's now execute this. So you can see we are getting the output of the statements in our file, so which proves that Python first of all compiled to the bytecode and then interpreted by this virtual machine, and then only we can see the output that we see here. So it proves that Python is both compiled and interpreted language. So hope you understand about this concept. See you in the next one. Take care.